Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about that comparison operator, right? So now in this video, I'm going to discuss about another operator which is very much important as a logical operator. So into this logical operator, first of all, I want to better clean it. Here that will be needed when, like I take one of the variable, I value as a 10. Okay. Now I want to put one of the conditions, like here this value will be as a greater than 5 and that will be less than 15. So in that condition, what exactly you have to do? Here we have to use as a logical operator. Okay. First of all, I want to introduce our logical operator. Like here, right now, if you want to make it as a 5, okay. If you want to make it as a 5, click as a save all. Then what exactly that will be returned? That will be written as a true. That means which is totally fine. I have already discussed about that less than, greater than, equal, right? Now I want to add that multiple condition. So if you want to add that multiple condition in a logical operator, there is the 3 operator you have to remember. That is, one will be as and, okay, and that will be one of the and then the or, and then another one as a not. Okay, so that is a 3 logical operator, and when you declare that and logical operator, then that will be sign as a double and. Okay, so that is our double and. So that is our and operator. And when you use it as a or, then you have to use it, that will be as a double pipeline. I simply added the double pipeline, that is a or operator. Okay, and then when you want to use it as a not, then that will be as a exclamator. So that is for the not. I hope you understand that part, friend. So that is a and, that is a or. We will declare that things with this pipe, and then not, that will be as a exclamator, and for the and, that will be as a double and. Okay, so now I want to add another conditions, like that is our 10 value. I want to put this condition like that way. Our price will be greater than 5. Okay, I want to make it as a greater than 5, and I want to make it as a less than 15. So in that case, we have to do, that is a price will be as a greater than 5, which is totally fine. For the reason sequence is now showing as a true. And also want to add another condition, that means the and condition. So if you want to add that and, that will be as a double and, right? So with this double and, now I want to use another one as our price. Our price will be also less than 15. Okay, so that is the 2 condition. Now I simply apply it in here. Now if you click as a save all, that means 10 is perfect. So it should be displayed as a true, right? It should be displayed as a true. You can see it's displayed as a true because of all our condition is perfect. Our price is greater than 5. That means our price value as a 10. So 10 is greater than 5, which is totally fine. And also our price, this value as a 10 is less than 15. For the reasons you can see it's now displayed as a true, which is totally fine. And also you have to remember one thing, this and logical operator here, both of these should be as a true, rather than that will be displayed as a false. Like right now, or both of this condition is a true. For the reasons you can see it's now displayed as a true. But if you want to make it as a, like I make it as a 50, so our first condition is what? First condition is the false, but our second condition is the true, right? That is our price value as a 10. 10 is not greater than the 550, and price is that is our 10 value is less than 15. That is our true condition, and that is our false condition. But here it should be displayed as a false. Okay, so both of these should be as a true. Then our this and operator will be executed. Now if we click as a refresh, you can see it's now displayed as a true, but our one condition is the true. That means both of these should be as a true. Then that will be display one of the true result. If you click as a save all, now that should be both of these true. Now you can see it's now true. Great. Now I want to discuss about another operator as an OR operator. So as I told you, in our AND operator, both of these should be as a true. Okay, so I better put on the note that should be as a true, and also and will be as a true. Okay, sorry, and will be as a true. But if you use that as an OR operator, into this OR operator, I want to copy it and I paste it. So here I want to do the same things, like our price, when it will be greater than 50, that means that is our false, right? It's actually, this condition should be as a false, and price is less than 15, which is true, right, friend? Because that is our 10 value. Our 10 value is greater than 50. That means that is totally false, right? This condition is false. And the price is less than 15. That means this condition is true. That is less than 10, which is totally fine. But here before, that is both of these should be as a true, but in OR operator, if you use that right now as a OR, into this OR, if we get 1 as a true, then that will be displayed as a true. Right now our this condition is the false, but this condition is the true. So now that should be displayed as a true. I show you, if you click at the save all, and now if you go click at the refresh, you can see it's now successfully displayed as a true, but our this condition is not appropriate. I hope friend you get some of the idea. If we get any expression as a true in both of this area, when you use that as a OR, then automatically if we get 1 as a true, then that will be returned as a true. Okay, so now you can see it's now display as a return true. Great. Now I want to use another one as a not. Not is very easy. Better I copy it, and then here I want to paste it. Okay, I want to paste it. So I only want to add 1. So in this condition, it should be displayed as a false, right? Because that is not that our appropriate condition. If you click as a save all, now refresh it, you can see it's now displayed as a false. So now with this our not, I want to make this condition as a not equal to false. With this not logical operator, here I want to make this condition as a not. Okay, not equal to, that means not greater than 550. If you want to make it that things like that way, only you have to do, first of all, you have to add that one first bracket, and before this I want to make it as a exclamator. That means that will be the not. Not price is equal to 500. Now that should be changed. Okay, now that should be returned as a true. Now I want to refresh it. You can see it's now perfectly returned as a true. Now I hope friend you get some of the idea about this logical operator as a not, and that is the OR, and that is the AND. Okay, how all that functionality work. I hope it's very much clear to you. In our next video, I want to discuss about that equality operator. So friend, that's all that basic things, but this is very much important. So you have to step by step understand every process, because everything will be needed later. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.